Hello, I am James Vanderbeek, representative for the band Ostrich Hat. What is Ostrich Hat? I will tell you what Ostrich Hat is. Ostrich Hat is the brainchild of Jeff Bonomo, Adam Arlotto, and Joe Somerdak. You may know them from the awesomely cool, epic, fun party band, There and Back Again. You see, Ostrich Hat is their side project, a semi-acoustic three-piece band that makes acoustic music fun. Their semi-acoustic bass show excludes most of the trappings of acoustic groups. No shoegazing, uber-serious music here, just light-hearted fun songs, stripped down, and that's right, semi-acoustic. What does that mean? Simply, their show is based around acoustic guitars and light percussion. Being semi-acoustic means they still plug in, but can play anywhere, and adjust accordingly, from big clubs to small restaurants. So, when can you see this amazing band? May. Sometime in May. That's all I have for now. For the band Ostrich Hat, I'm James Vanderbeek. Good day.